guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Mele John and karibu sana. And if you are new here, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, that red button, and support your girl. So it's early morning actually. I just woke up and yeah. So the reason I'm here in her bedroom, it's cause I removed the duvets, everything that was supposed to be washed. I was just doing a video, then I washed them. She can't sleep in new things, new duvets, bed sheet. I have to wash everything, even the super net. So that's why I soaked them yesterday, and I want to wash them right now. So yeah, guys, that's how it is right now. That's what I'm going to do right now. And I will take you along, guys. You are my people. I have to update you what I'm doing each and every moment. So yeah. So let me show you how the room looks like before we get to the washing. So guys, this is how the room looks like. For now, Taraji loved this room. She's always here playing with her toys. She calls, I don't know where the other babies are, the dolls. She calls them babies. So, and this is how I remove the duvet, just the mattress. So guys, I'm going to clean all this, but after I have washed the duvets and the bed sheet. So let's get to it.
The next day.
Hi guys, so guys, we are on the next day, guys. So I washed this duvet and the bed sheet, but the bed sheet dried up fast. Then the duvet took hours because of the cold season in Nairobi. So that's why I'm here today to finish what I started. The net is dry, everything is dry. I don't know why she's crying. She's with the dad. Here with the election is still on, so he's home. So yeah, guys. So I want to fix this room to arrange it. Yeah, it's clean, so no need of washing today. So I'm going to arrange the duvet, the bed sheet, the net. Yeah, and she moves in here. She's so excited about this room. She's always here playing with her toys. They are just here down. So let me get to it.
Never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I decided to start with the net because of stepping on the thing. So I'm going to put these things, you see, on top of the net now, because the last time we didn't put because we knew we would remove the net. So actually now I'm going to fix everything. We have even for holding the net this. So let's get to it. So guys, this is what I was talking about. I wanted to fix those things. Guys, what do you think? I don't know why I'm so excited about this room. Guys, you know, when growing up, I really wanted my own bedroom. But since I didn't have my own, I prayed to God that my kid could have their own bedroom, organize how they want and how they like. So here it is. And she's just 2 years old. So I'm glad she has this space. So let's continue. So guys, here, trust me, I have no idea what I was doing. I don't know. Yeah, but what do you think? So guys, what do you think? I had to remove the mattress, the old mattress which was here. Yeah, and the room looks like the baby girl's room. I'm loving this. Look at this guys. With her favorite dolls here. She can sleep well. So there's one thing. So guys, there's mat. You see this mat? So guys, as I was saying, this mat, it's Taraji's favorite mat. And I don't know where to fix it because she always play with this on this mat. So I don't know whether I fix it on the corner. I don't know. It's so much. There's so much colors. So guys, this is what I was talking about. That those had the toys for Taraji, and that mat here, I don't know, should she be playing over here? I'll leave it for now. Yeah, but enjoy this view. Oh my god, this is like my dream bed when I was a kid. With my own closet. Wow, this girl is lucky. This girl is one lucky girl. So guys, that's it for this room. I know God has been amazing. I have the bed that I really wanted. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye bye.